Welcome back to our series of videos on English expressions. We're glad to see so many reactions. Kaboons are really becoming the standard for learning expressions. We are also glad with so many drawings sent to us. From now on, we have a new item. We collect your ideas about language learning and especially regarding learning expressions. We think that this item is especially of interest to language teachers. Let's get started. Here comes our first expression. This image shows the expression, to kill two birds with one stone. This expression means that you achieve two things or solve two problems with only one action. Used in a sentence, it could look like this. I had to buy flowers for my mother and buy bread, so I decided to go to the supermarket where they sell both. I killed two birds with one stone. The second example. While Leslie was cleaning the house, he was also listening to a French language podcast. Very clever. This way he could kill two birds with one stone. See if you can guess the second image. The expression here is, you cannot make an omelette without breaking eggs. This means that it's very difficult, perhaps even impossible, to achieve something without this having some unpleasant effects. Let's look at our two examples. First, Harry had to work very hard for his degree, and he realised you can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. Second, to save the company, you have to fire a couple of people. It is tough, but you cannot make an omelette without breaking eggs. Time for our final expression. This expression is used when you want to warn someone that children are listening to what you're saying. Here are two examples. First example. Let's not talk about the divorce here. The children are still up and might hear us. Little pitchers have big ears. Second example. Sally asked Mary not to use any swear words near her son, as little pitchers have big ears. And that's the end of this series. Please note. First, don't forget to subscribe to our English Expressions series. Second, please leave comments. Maybe you have other good examples, or perhaps you know the equivalent expressions in, for instance, French or Spanish, or maybe Chinese. And we love to hear how you teach expressions. All comments are welcome. And please inform your colleagues about this new series with Kaboons and use the link below to see what our shop has to offer. And don't forget the new possibility for uploading your own Kaboons drawings. Kaboons are simple characters. You can easily copy the basic characters in order to make your own Kaboons. And I'm sure that you or the children at school are able to make magnificent Kaboons. Furthermore, we enjoy drawings of expressions from every language, and we hope to receive many ideas on the didactics of language learning. Finally, here's a new image. We will tell you what this expression means next time. Love you. See you next time.